Herman talks about a renowned physician, doctor, who was Big B, and he had a son, Anil Kapoor, who wanted to follow his profession, and he was doing well, but because of old age, he passed away eventually, and he wanted to hand over the responsibility to his son, who was also musically inclined. There was saxophone in the house which both of them used to play, and it was a very fine environment in the house. But since the father passed away, he took over the responsibility and he was doing quite well. Where he met another doctor, MBBS, she was Neha, who is Gracie Singh, and both of them fell in love. But on the other hand, there was also Sonia, who was Preeti Zinta, who was Ranbir Kapoor's daughter. She was a spoiled brat, very rich, and she used to throw tantrums. She also fell for Anil Kapoor and she wanted to tie the knot with him. So reluctantly, he agreed since there were finances were required, and because of some family pressure as well, he tied the knot with her. And then complications started arising because she started playing all games and she started cooking up stories. This is the only movie where I have seen Preeti in a negative kind of role. It didn't suit her because she has a very cute face. So eventually what happened that he was very disturbed because he actually believed his wife Sonia, but the reality fact of the matter was she was cooking up stories against Neha, whom she hated because she used to feel jealous and insecure. So but it reached a level where she even tried to commit suicide, Sonia, but she was rescued. There was an operation which happened. Both of them did the operation, Neha and Anil Kapoor, and she survived. And then she realized her folly, that in spite of her throwing venom at them, they actually rescued her because doctors had given up hope. They said that there is very thin line between life and death. It's up to the Almighty because she can pass away easily. She came in the last scene, you may say the best scene. She came with an envelope where the divorce papers were there, and she handed it to Anil saying that we may not be meant to be together. So here is your relief paper. Now you can spend your time with whoever you want. I'm going back to UK, and from there I'll go for a world tour, and I will always remember you as a dear friend. And I'm warning you, like, I know that once a person meets me, they'll never be able to forget, and I hope the same for you. Have a good life. And then she departs. So bottom line, realization is the first step towards self-improvement. 5 stars.